USD, JPY, and Euro USD technical analysis. Market is coming back down. I told you in my immediate last video on this channel right here that market is going to move up. If you watch this video and took advantage of this very analysis, congratulations, you should be in profit right now. Right now, the market is at this level of resistance and is going down. Market is going to continue down a little bit and then move upward. A failure to create a new high at this very point, or if the market moves into this level of resistance, the market is going to go back down finally on Euro USD. Expect the market to move downward. And on USDJPY, expect the market to continue its downward movement. So from here, expect the market to move up a little bit to this very area of resistance and then the final drop to the downside. This is what I'm expecting on USDJPY. If you're new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel.